Are you one emergency away from financial disaster? What if one unexpected bill, just one, meant losing your home? That was my reality. One emergency away from losing everything. And then it happened. 2 weeks before Christmas, my pickup truck blew the motor and I had to buy a new one. By January, I knew I had to find a way to make money online. Because in this business, we have a saying, if the wheels aren't turning, you're not making money. And instead of being home for the weekend to take care of my horses, I was sitting in a truck stop in Kansas with no freight, scrolling TikTok, looking for a way out. Hi, I'm Linda. I'm a 67-year-old truck driver and a grandmother. And not long ago, I was drowning in debt and holding on to my future by a thread. Every month was survival. I'd stretch every dollar, skip meals, say no to my grandkids, just to keep the lights on. I'd worked my whole life, driven millions of miles, and had nothing to show for it but stress and worry. I searched for anything that could help. I tried a couple programs, but always felt like I was missing something, no matter how much I learned. Then I found something different, a system that was real, a step-by-step guide, and I could do it in just 2 hours a day. That was huge, because I was already working 72 hours a week. I couldn't go out and get a second job, but I could spend 30 minutes every morning posting free ads. I could write content while I was stopped eating lunch. This was the program and community that offered me hope. That offered me the chance to make enough money to quit driving truck after 25 years. Years where I missed birthdays and graduations and baseball. Years of my kids' lives I can never get back. But now I have hope that I can change that and spend more time with my grandchildren and teach them about horses and riding and a lot of other things. If you would like a copy of the blueprint that's changing my life and thousands of people's lives, put blueprint in the comments and I'll send you a link. This program will give you everything you need to build your successful online business. Weekly tech support calls so you never feel stuck. A website with digital products you can sell for 100% profit. Not affiliate marketing where you're lucky to get 40% commissions but 100% profit. Done for you follow-up emails. So once you set up your website, which should only take a couple of hours, and you get your own business name for your site, you now have your own automated system that works for you 24/7. You can literally be making money in your sleep or while you're spending time with your family. A community that answers questions and will help keep you motivated. Coaching calls or replays you can watch when it's a good time for you. Free ads training and social media coaching so you can grow even faster. Help with content creation ideas so you know what to post and so much more. How much money do you need to change your life? Maybe you only need $100 a day. That's $3,000 a month. This system pays you daily, so how many credit cards could you pay off with a few extra bucks a month? Looking to completely change your life? You can do this with just a few hours here and there. Take this video, for example. I wrote it while sitting in a dock waiting for my truck to be unloaded. Now, I don't panic when a bill shows up. I've taken control of my time, my finances, and my future. If I can do this at 67, working full-time, so can you. You don't need to be perfect. You just need a starting point. For your free copy of the blueprint showing you the exact steps I use, visit my link below. It's all there step by step, with all the support you'll ever need.